Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Object Eraser on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Let me open a sample photo for this video. So let's go to the gallery, let's open recent photos, and let's say I want to erase this photo, this person from the photo. In order to do this, we're gonna have to tap the AI icon at the bottom of the image, then select AI eraser, and then we're gonna have to draw some sort of circle or basically a shape around this photo so that AI knows that this is something that we want to erase. And once the object is selected, if you want to proceed, select erase. If you want to go back, tap the backward icon. Now let's select erase and let the phone do the rest for us. And as you can see, it did pretty smoothly. Now it doesn't even feel like there was something here. And now what we're gonna have to do is tap save copy, and now we have two versions of the same photo, one with a person on it and one with an pretty much empty street. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.